How do you know which frames are going to suit you if you're buying them online and not like physically trying them on in person? So, by the magic of technology, I'm going to share with you SmartBuyGlasses virtual try-on tool, which allows you to go onto their website and have a look at all the different frames that they've got, try them on virtually using the camera on your phone to see which ones are going to suit your face shape, which ones you do and don't like before you place your order. So as you can see, I'm just going to have a play around with a few of the frames now, try on some different colours and styles and see what they're looking like. They've honestly got hundreds of thousands of styles and colours and shapes to choose from. I could spend all day on here, but this is just a handful of the first ones that I came across to show you. So as you can see, that's me trying on a couple of the frames on the SmartBuyGlasses website. The first pair that I virtually tried on I actually have here, so I thought I would show you them in real life. So as you can see, it's not obviously identical because that is a virtual version of your pictures to help you see the angles and what it's going to look like, but it's a good enough idea to let you judge whether they're going to be the right frames for you, if they're going to suit you, and if you like them. Obviously, you choose whatever suits your face. If you like your frames to look quite big, then you go for bigger frames, especially with sunglasses. I know some people really like the oversized look. As I mentioned, their team are on hand to advise you, but ultimately it's your choice at the end of the day, and hopefully this makes the process easier.